Hello to you and happy holidays if you celebrate any. I have a little cold, so we are going to explore my mouth in all of its grossness. To me, my tonsils look a little red, and my lip is a little sore from me chewing on it. Happy holidays to my little snacks.